why is tangent of alpha 1 equal to m1?
Tangent is y over x. It's slope.
Very nice. And so if I've got a line, how about if I cheat and let one go through the origin? And this particular line makes an angle of, say, alpha 1 with the horizontal x-axis. And I drew a nifty little triangle as such. That's a right triangle. And you guys, can I cheat for a minute? Can I just force this horizontal line to be 1? Then I think if I take a peek at this side being, say, y, would you guys not agree that the tangent of alpha 1 is nothing more than the ratio of y to 1? It's the ratio of the length of the opposite side and the adjacent side. And so it's just going to be my y. It's just that if you take a peek at the slope of that line, it too could be considered nothing more than the ratio of the rise to the run from one point to the other. And so rise divided by run is just going to be y over 1, or just simply y. Oh shoot, look what I've just done. I've shown you that the tangent of alpha 1 is nothing more than the slope of the line, passing through the origin, making an angle with the x-axis of alpha sub 1.
So where'd you get alpha from?
Alpha?
Isn't it tangent of A1?
Oh, okay.
Are they-
Well, when I read it, I thought it was an alpha 1.
Oh, okay.
My apologies.
Okay.
The first letter of some alphabet.
Okay.
Whichever alphabet you want to look at. So, you guys, I can read the rest, sorry. So, let M2 be equal to the slope of the second line with corresponding angle alpha sub 2, got it. We want to show M1's equal out of garbage. You guys, it's too difficult. You might have to don't. Let's be lazy. Let's instead, since this involves the angle alpha, can I just talk about the angle alpha in my picture?
Yeah.
Because I think when it comes to alpha, erases. I think alpha in my picture could be interpreted as nothing more than alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
If you do, then certainly if I take the tangent of both sides, tangent of alpha could be interpreted as a tangent of the difference of two angles. That was so much fun, let's say it again. The tangent of alpha is equal to, oh look at that, the tangent of a difference of two angles. Because you and I are Math 8 experts, we immediately recognize that as a ratio. The difference of the tangents. To 1 minus, oh, I misspoke, didn't I? I meant 1 plus the product of the tangents. Oh, by the way, the author reminded me that when it comes to tangent of alpha 1, tangent of alpha 2, those values are just simply m1s and m2s respectively. Let me rewrite it. Okay, guys, I'm running amok. I was just simply saying something I could say. I got to stop because I'm really not paying attention to what the question is. We're supposed to show, shoot, that statement up there, that's not what I have. It's close. Actually, if you look at what I want, how many times do you see m1 in the equation? Once. Is it isolated?
Yes.
Yeah, so that just kind of screams at me. Take my relationship and simply isolate m sub 1. See what I get? And if I were to isolate m1 in this equation, that tells me that, I don't know what it tells me. Is that tangent of alpha plus m1, m2 tangent of alpha is equal to m2 minus m1. Now remember what I just said. I said we want to solve for m sub 1. And I think the easiest thing to do is just bring all the m1s to one side. How about the left-hand side? Isn't that going to be this? And simultaneously bring everything else to the right-hand side. Oh, also track tangent of alpha from both sides. So you guys, tell me if I'm skipping too much. If I, number one, factor m sub 1 out of both terms on the left-hand side, and number two, divide both sides by what the heck is left over, doesn't that give me that m1's a ratio of this difference to this sum? Okay, now I'm stuck. I isolate m sub 1. What does the author want? That. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're already there, aren't we? I guess we're in business.
This is just like a problem to test your trig skills. Like, is there a calculus part of this other than the hand?
Yeah, you're right. Just test your trig. Oh, yeah, maybe math skills. You know what, I agree completely, you're just making it quick and easy stuff. I like that. I was just running amok, I just naturally wrote down what I have with a difference angle identity and played. Bradley, is that okay?
Yeah.
Anything else? So you guys are you ready to show me you know your stuff?
Perhaps.
First quiz.